Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed friends, and distinguished guests, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to speak to you today. What we're talking about here, what I'm about to share with you, is not just a mere decision. This is not a simple luxury or indulgence we're speaking of. No, what we're discussing today is about power, influence, respect, and legacy. It's about making a bold statement in this world, showing the world that you are someone of consequence, someone who has arrived at the peak. And there's no better way to make that statement than through a luxury car. Yes, a luxury car. Now, I know what some of you may be thinking, why are we talking about a car? Isn't it just transportation? But I challenge you to think bigger, to think beyond the basic function of a car. When you choose a luxury car, you are not simply choosing a means of getting from one place to another. You are choosing a vehicle that will carry your aspirations, your dreams, and your very essence of success wherever you go. A luxury car isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey, the statement you make with every mile you drive, and the impact you have on the world. Think about it. What do you want to be remembered for? What do you want people to see when they look at you, when they look at your achievements? A luxury car says, I am someone who has earned my place in this world. It's a reflection of your values, of your hard work, and of the commitment you've made to becoming the best version of yourself. Luxury cars are not just about spending money on an object, they are about investing in a symbol of your success. They become the personification of everything you have worked tirelessly to achieve. Imagine for a moment, you're pulling up to an important event, to a business meeting, or to a gathering with friends. What is the first thing people notice? It's the car. It's the sleek lines, the impeccable design, the sense of power and sophistication. Before you even speak, before you even make your first impression, your car has already done the talking for you. People look at it, and they immediately know, this person has arrived. This person is someone who has reached the top, someone who demands attention, someone who commands respect. Why does this matter? Because respect is not something you can simply ask for, it's something you must earn. And respect is a currency in this world that buys you more than just admiration. It opens doors. It opens opportunities. It creates alliances. It transforms the way people treat you. And let me tell you, a luxury car is a catalyst for all of this. The world notices those who drive the best. The world notices those who have risen above mediocrity and embraced excellence. And when you drive a luxury car, you are signaling to the world that you are not like everyone else. You are someone who stands apart. You are someone who is worthy of admiration, worthy of respect. But respect is not just about how others see you, it's also about how you see yourself. When you get behind the wheel of a luxury car, you feel different. You feel a sense of pride, a sense of accomplishment, a deep recognition of the hard work and sacrifices you've made to get to where you are. It's not just about the car itself, it's about the story that car tells. It tells the story of late nights, early mornings, challenges faced and overcome. It tells the story of resilience, of the never-ending pursuit of greatness. That car is a living testament to your journey. Let's talk about the psychological impact for a moment. You see, when you own a luxury car, you don't just drive a car, you drive an experience. That experience is one of confidence. It's one of power. It's one of undeniable control. And power, my friends, is a driving force in this world. Power isn't just about strength or dominance, it's about influence. It's about the ability to affect change, to shape perception, to make things happen. And owning a luxury car gives you that power. It gives you the ability to influence how others see you, to create the narrative that you are someone who has already made it, someone who has proven their worth, someone who is not to be overlooked. When you walk into a room, when you step into a conversation, your luxury car has already set the tone. People look at you differently because they know that you carry with you a presence of success, of wealth, and of influence. You become someone who commands attention without even trying. You become someone who is respected because your choices, your vehicle, your lifestyle, your attitude, speak volumes about the kind of person you are. You are no longer just one of the many. You stand tall above the crowd, and you make your presence known. Now, let me address something that is often misunderstood, the idea that luxury cars are a form of vanity. There are those who would claim that owning a luxury car is simply about showing off, about flaunting wealth. But I want to challenge that thinking. There is nothing wrong with celebrating your success. There is nothing wrong with rewarding yourself for the hard work you've put in. Luxury cars are not just for showing off, they are a reflection of your own standards. They reflect your commitment to excellence, to quality, to the very best of what life has to offer. When you invest in a luxury car, you are choosing to align yourself with the best, whether it's the craftsmanship of the car itself, the precision engineering, the attention to detail. You are choosing to surround yourself with excellence, and that is something to be proud of. Moreover, When you own a luxury car, you're not just buying a product. You're investing in a piece of history, in a legacy that transcends time. Luxury cars are more than machines, they are works of art. They carry with them a sense of heritage, of craftsmanship that spans generations. Every detail, every curve, every part is designed to not just perform, but to endure. They stand the test of time. And when you drive a luxury car, you're not just part of a fleeting trend, you are part of a legacy, a tradition of excellence that has been refined over the course of decades, centuries even. And that, my friends, is something that no amount of money can truly buy. It's something that must be earned, something that must be respected. Let's not forget the influence that comes with owning a luxury car. Think about the power it gives you when you enter a negotiation, when you walk into a business meeting, when you're facing a potential investor. The perception of success is a key component in business, in leadership, and in entrepreneurship. And let me tell you, nothing communicates success more effectively than a luxury car. It says that you know what you're doing, that you're in control, and that you are someone who doesn't just dream but takes action to turn those dreams into reality. It gives you credibility and influence in the eyes of others. It elevates you above the competition, and it tells people you are someone to be reckoned with. But beyond power and influence, a luxury car also symbolizes freedom. Freedom to choose the path you want. Freedom to enjoy the rewards of your labor. Freedom to live life on your terms. When you're behind the wheel of a luxury car, you're not just traveling from point A to point B, you're embracing the journey itself. The open road becomes a canvas for your success, and each turn, each acceleration, is a celebration of how far you've come. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a luxury car is more than just a mode of transportation. It is a symbol of your journey, your triumphs, your dedication, and your success. It is an embodiment of the power, respect, and influence that you have worked so hard to attain. It is a legacy that will outlast you, a reminder to the world that you are someone who has earned every step of the way to the top. So, when you choose to buy that luxury car, you are not simply buying a piece of machinery, you are buying into a future of power, prestige, and respect. You are making a statement that cannot be ignored. Thank you.